My apologies are due. I said I'll upload the video within a week, but it's been almost a month.
What do you mean almost a month?
It's been an entire month, sorry. But I really was busy and I could not find the time to make the video. My apologies again.
Boo! We don't want apologies. We want the video.
Do you want to start the video or do you want to keep doing this?
Oh, okay, let's start the video.
Good. Okay, building muscle. In our previous video, we spoke about the why. Why do you want to build muscle? And in this video, we'll be speaking about how you can build muscle. This video is not an entire video. I have divided it into two parts. So this is going to be the part one, and the part two will be in the next video. I do not have the time to make an entire video in a single day, so I'm really sorry again. I'll try to upload the video.
Lol.
Okay, I'm not gonna say it. I'm just gonna do it, hopefully. Now, before going ahead with the video, if you came across the video looking for a get big quick method, then I suggest you go back because you are going to be really disappointed. I'm not gonna give you any get big quick methods, or I'm not gonna tell you to eat something and get bulky in a month. This is not going to be that kind of video. So I suggest you stop watching it right now. If you are looking to get huge and muscular in a short period of time, and if you want to know the phenomenon behind building muscle naturally, then do watch the entire video. You're gonna find it really helpful. Okay, building muscle. Why is it so hard to build muscle? First off, let's try to understand what muscle is. What are muscles? Muscles are a contractile form of tissue which are used for movement. Multiple strands of muscle fiber make up the muscle tissue. Now, how do you build muscle? You build muscle by breaking it. Well, actually, by tearing it, to be precise. Now, how do you tear muscle? Strength training, or what do you call resistance training. Congratulations! If you've understood the video so far, then you've understood half of the concept of muscle building in a simple way. You're welcome. Okay, remember what a muscle is? It's a tissue made up of multiple strands of muscle fibers. Don't ask me how many. Now, building muscle doesn't mean increasing the number of these fibers. Rather, it has to do with increasing the size of the fibers. And this phenomenon is muscle hypertrophy. Muscle hypertrophy is the increase in muscle size through increased size in individual muscle cells. Now, how do you achieve muscle hypertrophy? Strength training, resistance training. When you work out, your muscles release inflammatory molecules called cytokines, which increase the size of the muscle. That is the pump that you experience after a workout. But that's only half of the equation. Once you tear down your muscle by exercise, you need to repair the damage by giving your body good nutrition and proper sleep. Once you consistently do both these things and keep repeating the cycle, you will build bigger, stronger muscles. But doing that naturally is going to take a lot of time, so you have to be patient. Now, the whole of the equation is you need to train properly and effectively. Hold on, I didn't emphasize that enough. Effectively. And also get good quality uninterrupted sleep for about 7 to 8 hours, not from 4 a.m. to 2 p.m. I'd say try going to bed by, no, if I just say go to bed, you'll go to bed and be on your phone for 2 to 3 hours. So don't just go to bed. Sleep before 11 p.m. I'd suggest sleeping between 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 a.m. I'd suggest sleeping between 9:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. That would be the best time to sleep, and you can also sleep for an hour or two in the afternoon during the day. So workout, rest, and nutrition. Yeah. To build muscle, nutrition is also very important, but please don't go around looking for mass gainers and protein supplements just because your trainer or some YouTuber or some dude at the gym told you you can't build muscle without supplements. Just stop overcomplicating things. It's really simple. Eat natural healthy foods. Do eat protein depending on your body requirement, of course. But don't overeat it or you're gonna really screw up your kidneys. Eat a balanced diet consisting of fruits, vegetables, unprocessed whole grains, meat, dairy, and if you're a vegetarian, you can substitute meat with beans, lentils, or dairy protein. So, to sum it up, to build muscle naturally, you need to work out effectively, get good quality sleep, have a balanced diet, along with DDCP. Dedication, discipline, consistency, patience. That sounded a bit dramatic, but seriously, uh, effective workouts, good nutrition, good sleep. You also need dedication, discipline, consistency, and patience. Do this, and you will definitely see results. Just stick to a routine, be consistent, be regular to the gym. Don't go around looking for supplements or mass gainers. Okay, so that wraps it up. Let's just perform our usual ritual. If you're looking for a personal trainer, a nutritionist, physiotherapist, workout programs, diet plans, you can go to MZXFITNESS.com for all your fitness needs, except equipment and supplements. And if you want to learn more about building muscle, losing fat, and how to get started with your gym routine, and what are the workouts you need to be doing, and what are the foods you need to be eating, and the foods you need to be avoiding in detail, you can read my book, Redefining Fitness. You can get this too on the website. Go to MZXFITNESS.com. So instead of spending your day scrolling through your social media feed, you can get the book, you can read it. I'm sure it'll help you a lot. So I just got back from the gym. I mentioned in my video that I'm uploading the video after a month, but it's actually been 3 months. I shot the video in June, I believe, and it took me a lot of time to edit it. I just finished editing the video and I'm gonna upload it probably tomorrow. So totally it's been 3 months since I last uploaded my video. I'm really sorry guys, I am not consistent and I take full responsibility for it. Since the lockdown has been lifted, I haven't been getting a lot of time to make the videos. So I'm really sorry again. I'll make sure to how to not grow your subscribers and how to lose the ones you already have. That's what I'm doing. So hopefully I'll be consistent from now on and I'll upload more videos, and I will also try to improve the quality of my videos, the quality of the video, the quality of the sound, the way I explain the concepts. I'll try to improve everything. Hopefully it all goes well. And for now, I hope you liked the video and learned something from it. Share with your friends and family if you did. Alright then guys, that's it for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. This is Zaid, and until next time, take care.